And what's really cool, I interviewed also a Finnish startup called Quantient, who's already using quantum computers to solve things like the Navier-Stokes equation in CFD, which is just mind-blowing. And they say they're waiting for the next quantum leap, play on words, but the next leap towards triple-digit qubit machines, because we're only on like 80 to 100. So if we get to over 1,000, they're thinking they could solve an entire plane in one shot with, n variables all at the same time, because that's how this stuff works. It's just crazy.
Wow.
And that's not the only one. I found another quantum startup called BQP, who's based in India and the States, and they're applying quantum on classical computers and quantum computers when they have access to them. But there's just so many applications to this. And
so, what's that bucket? The quantum bucket? Do you have a name for that one?
That's part of the extreme analysis, because it is an extreme form analysis.
Yeah.
I only had two, so I couldn't do a category of just two.
I didn't know if you had like a compute, like a crazy compute bucket or something.
Yeah, I called it extreme analysis because it was all on that. The next one, I called it adaptive manufacturing. So that's like additive manufacturing and subtractive manufacturing, and maybe both, because, you might print too much and then you got to remove it after that. There's a lot of vendors doing NC machining on the cloud, like Cloud NC is a good example, Limitless CNC, quite a few there. And then all these additive manufacturing companies like Up2Parts, Spare Parts 3D, and guys like that. The next category, I called it cognitive thread. So that's PLM, but also MBSE,